ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba Preston Tunsong ulaong baka jingkeno ajong Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala kilongtang ki jingkeno ki bamdon nongrim pada kajo ko por ulaong ruba umkwa satya banyatanya halor kani ka jingkeno ya ka uba Vincent H Pala lada udonnya ki sakhi ki sabut ki babiang uladai ban leit mudoi de ka ejahar syakipulit. Shesho ulaong ru balada kini ki jingkeno jong uba Pala kidei ki bashisha ke Kongres kala ban yeslok bat ki reu sat an na ka benta ban mudui wat hakayeng bisharu.
President of MPCC, when he talked, I'm sure he talked with documentary proof. If he do have a documentary proof, I think the nearest police station is always there. Let him file FIR. Because I don't want debate. Why should we debate? But if the allegation is true, I think Congress party must have quite a number of legal experts within the party. So legal course of action should be taken immediately. And if not, it's only a mere allegation. I think, again, the statement made by the MPCC president is very, very immeasured, I should say. If he says that MDA is not united, that is totally wrong. He needs to understand one thing, be it NDA, be it UPA, be it MDA in the state, when election comes, are you trying to say that UPA should be only with Congress alone? Though, of course, the major number of MPs goes to Congress, but it does not mean that those partners who join the UPA cannot contest election. If it is so, I would request the president of MPCC to show me in which part of Constitution of India which says that the alliance MDA or NDA or UPA cannot contest election separately when they go for election. If you have the allegation which is substantiated, why don't you go for legal course of action? Because see, I really don't understand. Allegation made during the election is something which I personally feel voters understand better than anybody else. So I am not surprised with the way the Congress party made allegation, keep making allegation against the MDA partners, be it NPP, be it UDP, be it PDF, be it HSPDP, be it NCP, be it BJP. So for me, I think it is not a new thing. They don't have any agenda during this by-election. You tell me what is the agenda of the Congress party right now in the by-election. If the agenda is to form a government, I think people will understand, yes, that is the agenda. But now the agenda they don't have. Can MPCC president or can Congress say this time, while canvassing, while going down to the public, give some kind of agenda that please vote in favor of our official Congress candidate so that we can form a government? Can they say that? Nothing. So therefore, my clarification here is very simple. People of these constituencies, voters of these constituencies, I think they already decided they already understand which candidate to vote for, because they need development. When they need development means they need to be with the party which is in the ruling.